Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Notifications so you can target the app directly. This is faster than searching inside the app. Once you see the app list, choose the specific app you're changing. Some apps expose sound controls here, others don't. Make sure the app has Allow Notifications enabled. Without it, you cannot alter sounds. If you don't see the app, confirm it's installed and has requested notifications. This initial setup ensures the sound options will be available in the next steps. Once you're inside the app's notification row, tap Sounds or Alerts if present. This is where you pick a tone. Some apps redirect you to their internal settings. Open the app and find Notifications or Preferences to choose a custom tone or silence notifications. If the app relies on system tones, go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics to change the default text tone or ringtone that many apps inherit. Make sure to test a sample alert so you can hear the change immediately. After selecting a tone, save and trigger a test notification by sending yourself a message or using the app's test feature so you can confirm the change. If you don't hear the new sound, restart the app or reboot the iPhone to clear cache settings. This resolves most sync issues. Also make sure Focus, Do Not Disturb, or Parap Mute switches aren't blocking sound. If problems continue, reinstall the app as a last resort. That refresh often restores notification controls and fixes broken sound settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.